Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is D. Anthony with Evolution Traders. I think I found probably one of the best platforms that I've found for futures trading on prop firms. Now, again, you guys know that I have accounts with Apex as well as Top Step. So I've been on the early waitlist for Top Step's new platform X. Okay, now it's not out yet to the general public. You can definitely put yourself on the waiting list. I don't know if it's because I have a funded account with them, why they gave it to me sooner, if it's because I'm a Top Step partner. I have no idea. But all I know is I got the email today. I was able to get the platform, and here I am. So I've been messing around with it. I think it's going to be really, really good. It's an absolute game changer. And the only reason why, and again, yes, am I a partner with Top Step? Yes. If you want to join Top Step, my link is down in the description box below. If you sign up with Top Step, do I make money when you sign up? Yes. How much money do I make? $50,000 account, I probably make like $4. I can't even buy a Starbucks coffee with that. But full transparency, right? If I'm going to talk about the platform, I might as well promote my link. Again, now that that's out of the way, I will give my honest opinion. I haven't traded on it live yet. I was messing around with it a little bit in the after hours, working with stop losses, working with, looking at the DOM, looking at the time in sales, looking at, they have what's called the tilt, which I'll explain in just a minute. I was messing around with some things, setting up some bracket orders, doing this, that, and the other. I like it because they incorporated TradingView's charts. Now, again, I am not a TradingView trader. I do all of my charting on Thinkorswim. I trade options 80% of the times. My broker is TD Ameritrade or Schwab, and I use the Thinkorswim platform. So normally all of my charting is on Thinkorswim. You guys know who are in Evolution Traders. I do no charting on any of my futures platforms. All I basically do is come over on my side screen that I have. I got 3 monitors. I come over to one of the screens. You guys can see this. I click buy. I click sell. I click buy. I click sell. That's all I do. When I want to get out of the trade, I click sell. When I want to get out of the trade, I click buy. That's all I do. I don't do no charting on it or whatever. But I'm probably going to do a little bit of charting on Top Step X, because I think the platform's really, really good because of the fact that, if I kind of just zoom around here, this is a 5-minute chart we're looking at here on the MNQ. You guys know I trade MNQ again, or I trade NQ, but I got the 20 SMA on here. I like, the look of the chart. I like the feel of the chart. This is an active 20 play here. I should be in it, but I don't trade the after hours. It is what it is. But I want to kind of just go around and I want to kind of show you guys a little bit about what's going on here with this. So you can add your indicators just like you would on TradingView. So all of your indicators and everything, if you guys know how to use TradingView, you're going to know how to use Top Step X. Let's talk about some of the features on Top Step X that I really like. You've got the DOM over here so you can see the orders and in everything that's here. You've got your time in sales here. You got your market in, market out here. You've got your order type here for limits, this, that, and the other. All that's pretty standard. What I do like down here that they've kind of incorporated into their platform is they have what's called the tilt, right? So the tilt is everyone who's on an active combine, right? Everyone who's on an active evaluation, it's going to show you with Top Step where the tilt is heading. The tilt is for example, we're looking at the NASDAQ chart right now. 44% of Top Step traders are long. 56% are short. It's also going to tell you for crude oil, 69% are long. 31% are short. For gold, 52% are long, 48 are short. For the ES, 39% are long, 61 are short. Now, why can this be beneficial? Well, if you have a particular strategy, if you have some sort of supply and demand zones, if you guys do some basic charting, let's say for example, the price of the NASDAQ is pushing higher, okay? And you have this level of resistance according to your strategy and your chart work. There's a level of resistance. And the tilt is about 80% to the buy side, meaning that about 80% of Top Step traders are long, but you are looking at a level of resistance. Now my brain starts to think, Well, if 90% of traders, retail traders, fail, do I want to be with the 80% of top step traders on the tilt, or do I want to be with the other 20%? It makes me start to think maybe I want to be with the 20% versus the 80%. Now, again, does that mean every time it hits 80%, you know, oh, 80% of top step traders are going long, I need a short? No, make sure you're doing your due diligence, your chart work and all that stuff. But let's say, for example, we're screaming higher on a 5-minute time frame. I'm racing into a 200-day moving average, and it's at 83% of traders are long. Maybe I'm going to fade those guys because I already know just based on my 9 years of trading experience, based on the history, based on the data, that 90% of traders lose money. 90% of traders fail. So if I have a level of resistance, I don't want to be with the 80%, 82%, 85% that are going to lose money. I want to be on the side with the 20% or the 15% or the 10% of traders who maybe are doing something a little bit different. Again, I think that's a pretty cool feature. You're going to have the Top Step TV here. Again, this is all web-based, so you can use it with Apple as well as PC. They've got Top Step TV here. So if I click this link, you can watch the Top Step TV live trading webinar. They have a live stream every day. Obviously, it's not on right now, but you can watch this in the forefront, in the background. You can put it on another screen, this, that, and the other. I think that's pretty cool. So you can listen to what the guys are saying. It's a pretty cool little show. I've watched it before. It's great. You know, you can give you a good, they got risk managers on there. They got live trading on there. They do chart work on there, this, that, and the other. I think that's very, very cool. I think Top Step's doing a lot of really good things in this space. I think they're probably one of the better prop firms that are out there just based on rules and so forth. You know, I think their payout policy could be a little bit better. You know, not maybe, we'll get to payouts when you guys get to payouts. What I do like is because with Top Step, you have $1,000 on a $50,000 account. You have $1,000 daily loss limit. You guys know that already, right? You have $1,000 daily loss limit. So if you lose $1,000, Top Step turns you off, basically tells you, hold on a second, buddy. You lost half of your drawdown because they have a $2,000 total drawdown limit. You just lost $1,000. We're shutting you down. Reset. Come back tomorrow. I think that that's a great feature because it allows traders to kind of reset themselves and not blow their account in one day. If anything, you blow it in 2 days. But I think it's a really good feature. But with Top Step X, they have this, right? Let me find it because I'm still new to the platform, but let me find it here. Where the hell is it at? Where the heck is it at? Let me go to settings. Okay, settings. So right here, I love this. You can set up your risk, your position size risk, how much dollar amount that you want to risk per trade. So every time you execute an order, let's say I want to risk $100 per trade, but I'm looking for $100 on your particular setup. If you trade that way, I think that's fantastic. You can set it up here. So every time you enter a trade, it's going to set a $100 stop loss. It's going to set a $100 take profit. I'm just using examples. Also, this is what I'm really excited about. They have a daily loss limit. Guys, instead of that $1,000 daily loss limit, you can set, let's say, a $500 daily loss limit. So if you lose $500, it's going to auto liquidate you and it's not going to let you trade anymore. So instead of potentially you blowing your account up in 2 days, losing $1,000 one day, losing $1,000 2 days, you can go in here and you can set this for 500 and you can save that. Now we come back to the charts. I do my trading. Uh-oh, I'm down $500. Boom, I'm auto liquidated. Beautiful. So instead of getting your account lost or blown up in 2 days, now you have 4 days, right? 500, 1,000, 1,500, 2,000. Let's say you're in your trading plan, you only want to lose $200 a day. That's going to give you 10 trading days before you can lose an account. What it's going to do is something fantastic for traders who are having a hard time in blowing themselves up. What it's going to do is force discipline on you because yes, although you can go in there and change it if you want, but what I'm saying is that if you just set those settings and you leave it alone, Let's say you set a $250 stop loss. Guys, you're going to be able to trade 8 days before you lose your account. So every time you lose $250, boom, you're auto liquidated, you're out. You have to come back tomorrow. You don't even get the luxury. I tell my guys this in Evolution Traders, when you do something wrong, when you break rules, you should be fired. If you worked for a trading company, a trading firm, you were on the trading floor, and you worked with a team, and let's say I give you guys a $250 stop loss, and you guys blow through and lose $1,000, you're fired. Like, you shouldn't even be allowed to trade anymore. Like, if you have a $250 daily loss limit and that's in the rules, that's in your guidelines, and you lose $500, I'm pulling the plug on you. You're not allowed to trade anymore. So you can do that for yourself. I think that's huge, 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 huge. If you guys want to sign up with TopStep, that link is down in the description box below. Just, if anything, get a TopStep account now. Go into their website, go onto the search bar and type in TopStep X. You're going to get a sign up form where you guys can sign up and be notified when you guys can come onto the platform. That way you at least have an account, and when you're ready to go, all you got to do is just download the platform and you're good to go. What else do they have here that I think that's cool? Down the bottom they have quotes, orders. Oh, this is also what I think is cool. Again, for some of you guys who are watching this video from Evolution Traders, we've been tinkering with our own risk to rewards, basically, because all of our stop losses are dynamic. Sometimes we're risking 20 points, sometimes we're risking 5 points, sometimes we're risking 40 points. But look at this, guys. Again, I'll probably lose some money, but I'm going to do this just for the sake of just showing you guys. So what I want to do here is, okay, I'm looking at the chart. We're over the 20. We're back below the 20 here. We're kind of popping up a little bit. I'm going to say that for the sake of the video, I don't really want to wait that long. Let's say that we're going to hold this 20 SMA. Okay, so let's say we go long. Okay, so now we're long. So here's our position. We're long 1 MNQ micro contract. Okay, so my stop loss, I'm going to use the previous 5-minute low as my stop. So I'm going to drag this down, and look at this, guys. It's telling me my risk is $3.50. We don't have to guess. If I want to be this swing low, this is my stop loss. I drag it down. Look at this. My risk is $11.50 on the trade. Okay, my take profit is when we break through this previous swing high. Okay, I'm just doing this as an example for the video. I'm going to move this up. Like, this is the best feature that they could have put in, especially for scalpers who are taking, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trades a day. Guys, you enter into the trade. Let's just close this. Let's just close this. We're going to flatten all positions. So we made a dollar. Okay, made a dollar. Woo. So let's do this again. I want to get long. Okay, so I'm going to buy, or I'm just going to buy 1 at market. I'm going to buy 1 at market. My stop loss, previous 5-minute low. Boom, I drag it here. I'm going to drag it a couple ticks below. My profit target up here over this swing high. Boom. Guys, I'm risking $5.50 to make $3. Is that the best risk to reward ratio? No, I'm just giving you guys an example for the video. But I mean, maybe. I mean, you risk $5 to make 3. Hell, if you could do that 100 times a day, why not? You could drag it up if you want. You can go up here. Okay, I'm risking $5 to make $12. Like, mind blown here. Mind blown. Previous swing high, previous structure over here, whatever. I think that's beautiful, right? Beautiful. I'm down 50 cents in the position. Oh, well, like we'll get it back tomorrow. But I think that's perfect. This is probably one of the best features that I do like on this particular platform, because when I play these 20 plays or when I play these high of day breaks, I want to get into the trade without like having to add up. How much am I risking? How much am I going to take profit? I already know what I'm looking to, take profit at. If I'm going to risk $5.50, all I have to do is drag my take profit up to $5.50 for a 1-to-1, right? I'm just going to flatten this position. Again, flatten that position. So like that, I think is very, very good when it comes to a tool and a resource that you can have for a day trader. Again, I'm just going to cut this video short, but I thought that was really cool. I wanted to kind of show you guys. If you guys want to get TopStep X, sign up down below in the link. If it's available to you, it'll show you when you sign up. If it's not, because I don't think it's available yet to the general public, go to TopStep's website and search, like in their search bar, TopStep X sign up or TopStep X. You're going to come to a page where it's going to allow you to get on the wait list. Now that you have an account, you're on the wait list. when they're ready for you, or when they open up more slots. I think they're like releasing it in waves. Like they're going to open up so many slots, let people sign up, open up some more slots, let people sign up, so forth and so forth. I think it's very cool. I think this is probably the best trading platform for a prop firm. Hands down, Top Step, you guys did a phenomenal job. I got to give you guys a lot of credit. You guys are already probably, just because again, I don't want to like toot Top Step's horn. Like every prop firm has their downs and has their ups. The only reason why I like Top Step, it's 2 days to pass. You know, it's only one step. There's no time limits. And their customer service is really cool. I think what's making them a little bit different is the community that they're building on their daily live streams. I think the risk manager that they have on there is phenomenal. I think the traders, the people that work for Top Step that are trading on there, giving their technical analysis, I think are really good. They're well experienced. They're from the pit. They've been on the trading floor in the New York Stock Exchange. They're really good people. The CEO is very involved in the company. I like when CEOs, I like when business owners are putting their face out there, because it gives you something to trust, right? It gives you something to trust. There's other prop firms where you don't know who the CEO is, or you only see the name in the email, or you see like some old school video that looks like it was filmed with like a handheld camera. Like, I don't know how much you can trust that. Not saying that, you know, the other competitors are bad or a scam or anything like that, because they, like, I can only speak on two. Apex Trader Funding, legit. They could use some updating. They still, like, Apex for me is like a prop firm that is around in the 1990s. Like, it's very old fashioned to me. Top Step is kind of like new age, right? Like, it's like for whatever. You guys get what I'm trying to say. But again, Apex is good. They pay out. I've taken payouts from them. Top Step is great. They pay. I've been with them for a while. Like I trust them. They're legit. I've talked to them. They're legit. Both of those companies, they're cool. Rules are a little different. But this platform is a game changer. This platform is a game changer. So good job. Just want to do a little review on it.